Hold on a second. You ain't really pretty enough for me to stop, but I guess I will.
Yeah, I don't want to ride with you.
Alright, so this is the theater. So the lock bars can come out after the concrete's cured for the 28 days. I'm choosing to leave them in just because it's extra support and strength. Put down the Superform foam board, which I bought all this like almost 2 years ago, like 19 months, something like that. So finally, I mean, we used it in the bottom of the pools too, but finally using more of it. And then the MST, this is the blue bar, so this is the flat work bar. And they've got this gridded up, so I'm going to put in a floor box because the theater seats will be there and here, so kind of 2 rows of seating. And I want a floor box in case we do motorized seats. Floor box is in. Got that over there. I put a couple cut in to the foam. I'll get a vacuum, go ahead and vacuum that up, and then I'll take those, but that allows us to, you know, everything goes inside the walls because the sheetrock goes right on that. So I went with 1 inch here, only did 1/2 inch on the upstairs because it's very short run and straight up to it. But here, I got to pull over to there, just want to make sure. Get through it, so that'll give me a floor box there. Everything else goes in the wall, so there's no reason to do anything else right now. And here, the difference in the sound is we come out of here, all the foam in there and everything. So that's going to be pretty good for a theater. So we use the Viper vapor barrier. It's a really thick vapor barrier setup. So we use that. There you go. So that kind of shows you a little bit. They've got to finish this, but that shows you kind of what it looks like. This is another mechanical room, another bathroom down here. And then this is all our water feeds and everything for a water heater that's going to be over here, plus anything that needs to go up and around. It's the border. So the reason we're doing this way is these areas do not get stamped. So they don't get color and they don't get stamped. Because there's 2 mechanical rooms and the theater gets carpeted. So the only carpet in the house. So we're going to go ahead and pour this, get it out of the way so it's not interfering with other stuff we want to do. And it's just, you know, like I said, that's completely separated and done. So I've double checked everything today, but looks about right for measurements and everything, which is good. Let me show you the other mechanical. It comes along, we just talked about, that is actually for the washer and dryer. The washing machine is going to be down here for towels and all that crap. So we're going to put it on that side of the pipe, and then it kicks back over there. So this gets the regular foam. This, once they have this all lined up, they'll cut this foam and pull it out where the radiant's going. So all the bathroom stuff is right here. So that's all mechanical rooms. So I have a pretty large mechanical room, which is what I wanted. All the geothermal go on that wall and here. So starting where you see all that is water heater storage tank, geothermal units probably stacked on top of each other back there, and then all the piping and everything over there. Then we've got this for AV. The next week we'll start on out here, getting all this leveled out, tamped. Anything left that we want to, run and get over there, and putting all our rebar in, and blocking the door, same like we did upstairs. This will get stamped. You get to see what the hydro foam is next week. He got up my electrical conduit. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
It'll be spaced off the wall a little bit, because I'll have to end up putting sheetrock behind it at some point, something like that.
Okay.
We could put like a board behind it right here and then fasten it.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay. Yeah, that'd be perfect.
All right.
So have that. All that'll be done today. So we'll be ready for pour. Like I said, this is Tuesday. That's ready for the pour. Now they're taking and putting out the hydro foam. We purchased this product through Nadura. Hold on. It's upside down. It goes this way. All right. Looky there. Concrete truck. Those are kind of like the, you know how like you have a state bird and all that. This is like the mascot for Really Good Farms. Ooh, it's gonna be tight. I hope it gets over a little more actually, because that corner right there is Slab. I'll kick him over a little more personally. But looks like we're gonna be all right. Ready mix. Okay, that's interesting. Got a little buggy. Just 2 trucks today to take care of the cabin work and all that stuff. So didn't want to deal with pump today. How it works out. Right. Man, that thing's a lot faster than I thought. Look at that. It's like speed buggy. You know you've gone through a lot of concrete when you recognize your drivers.
Yeah, right.
You went a little heavy on the drink. That one's done. They'll bring finish it. We're almost done with the mechanical room. This is our pathway for the buggy. Since we got the archways up, so we can brick those. We being Casey. Bueno?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
you gotta put the another one. Because they now, for some reason, the screw's not long enough.
Oh, okay. Do you need some longer screws? I'll smooth all that out. And this gets carpet. This will be okay. They need to get that up because they got to lay foam in here. All this gets the hydro foam. And I'll bring my son back. So I'll bring Josh back. And we'll do all the radiant according to the plans from Geo Jerry. Talked about that upstairs. Hold on a second. You ain't really pretty enough for me to stop, but I guess I will.
Yeah, I don't want to ride with you.
That's probably smart.
Stranger danger.
Stranger danger.
You like showing up on concrete. It's just how it works.
That's your thing. It's like, oh, you're pouring concrete? I'm coming by.
Let me get by. I come by, get all in the way.
Well, let me tell you what they're doing.
Pouring concrete.
Looked over there.
They're pouring concrete.
Yeah, but besides that,
Okay.
they're using a power buggy,
Yeah, I saw that.
right? And it sounds all great on paper. It's just working good. But the guys are all in the underground safe room, aka maybe a theater.
The theater.
And I'm like, y'all gonna die.
Oh, the fumes.
I'm like, y'all are gonna die in here. So I took
I'm thinking
the fan over there, and I'm like, y'all are. I'm gonna have a bunch of dead guys in here. I'm gonna have to bury you in the back. Good thing Chris is here. So
Oh, gracious.
that's how that's going.
Oh, okay.
It's a good thing I bought that.
Yeah. Save me from having to bring mine over here to spread out.
No, saved me a trip fee.
A trip.
What's
fee?
that called? Mobilization.
Mobilization.
Yeah.
Saved you mobilization, but you're about to learn what an operator's wage is.
Oh, I know. I'm very, very familiar.